Now let's go inside. This is a restaurant, guys. I know it's not posh, but what else do you expect in a rustic farm? Like, it's good compared to, I mean, like, I can't compare it to anything else, but it's still good. As you can see, a nice amount of chairs, like a couple, 20, 25 people can fit here easily. So, it's quite good. Oh, wait, what's up? Let's check it out. Now, this, I think, isn't a swing, so let it be. Okay, so we're going up, and there is nothing. Sorry, guys. Like I thought that this blue thing, yeah, it was swimming pool, but it isn't. So let's go back now. So now let's go on to the swimming pool. Now this road is quietly, like not so interesting because it's rustic. So let's go on. Wait to swimming pool. Very cool. अरे लोग ताका लग रहे थे दुनिया Oh my god. Wow. Swatch touchy. Mini, this is the mini, isn't it? Now enjoy some swimming pool. Huh?